This is audible activity and light activity while they're in relevant position. 8P10995, directed light while they're honking at me like I'm in their way and they're stalking, okay? This is P.O.C. across the street maintaining light. That's what they're doing. And they're doing that. This is Continental. And that is OPD patrolling. They're repeatedly patrolling. Doing so in directed light. License 1591758 under the fake sun. Okay, you're remembering at 10:21 a.m. and those demons of Gator Glass are monitoring with law enforcement. Okay, direct light across the building. That's what the OPD are engaging in. They're crossing path and monitoring with them. This is all satanic. If you pay attention, this is all satanic. The directed light. That's not the sun, and you also are understanding that that's not sunlight, and that's the ongoing heavily documented pattern of conduct. This is Continental. This is the Asian male. This is Continental. He's maintaining light at this venue in relevant position, monitoring with law enforcement, creating light activity, stalking in the path, using the truck as a means of audible activity. This is third-party facilitating venue L&R Auto Repair. Also engaged in what is, that's Omnitrans 1545806, bus 2358. Also engaged in what is assault with a deadly weapon at their property, as I documented in 2019. This is after the entity, the same one, the Ontario Police Department, that's patrolling under the fake sun at Vine and Holt Boulevard at 10:20 in the morning, in directed light, stole my vehicle. Okay, knowing exactly who I am, my vehicle having no license plates, the people stole the license plates, the people covered up the VIN number. Ontario PD knew exactly whose car it was because they're stalking just like they're stalking now, and they filled out all the information. This is all included in that case that I've already published, that criminal conduct of obstruction of justice, and that is Erica Lorenz Spencer v. Bill and Wags in 2019. This entity engaging, this actor engaging in assault with a deadly weapon after the theft of my car. 60849G2, 8Z96001. This is patrolling, all right? And these demons are over here monitoring while directed light is repeatedly moving across their property. Impossible light activity and also not the sun, all right? Not the sun, right over them. Remember, January 1st, it's remaining over 60 North Fern until well after the afternoon. And Ontario PD are engaging in patrolling back and forth, communicating that conspicuous stalking activity and demon possession, just like ATLR 300. And Ontario PD are unique in that they've engaged in direct acts of kidnapping. All right, you're gonna remember this. It is 10:23 a.m. This is P.O.C. 8ECA 535. And Continental Towing, again, license 2694583. License 03074D3. License 19971R2. Greg Electric crossing path as well. License plate 5ZCG293, 7GFZ425, and Delta Airlines flying right over me, right here where I'm standing, and by this venue where directed light is present. That's what Delta Airlines is engaging in. It's all concerted. Delta Airlines is maintaining relevant position above my head, directed light all around me, and the fake sun directly over me. All right, them engaging in an ongoing threat with OPD. All right, this is P.O.C.